In this episode we will make a scrolling background with hills and sky. Doesn't it look great? Let's see how to make it. Import the level sprite. Link is in the description. You can also make your own. Align it on the bottom. You can press Shift while dragging to drag it straight. Go to X for 80, which is the width of the screen. Move left until X is less than -479. Go to X for 180 again to start from beginning. But it is not moving out of screen because Scratch doesn't let it to. Draw a rectangle outside of the canvas to increase its width. Now it works. To fill the whole screen we need two levels. We will do this with clones. Make a local variable which stores the X position the level starts moving. Set it to 0 because the first level should start in the center. Make more level sprites like level 1, level 2, and so on. For the first level clone, switch to level 1 costume. Repeat for second clone and switch to level 2 costume. Keep initial X for 180 for this because it should start from right of the screen. The clone will go to initial X, which was set here. There is a slight mistake here. Just expand the level from right or left. So smooth. We should also make sure the level has same height from both sides. Bring the cat above the level. Now we have to change the color the cat senses to stay on the ground. Replace all the color sensing blocks with the new color. Now, it's looking professional. Make more costumes because we will make different levels in the next episode. I am putting numbers for each to test their sequence. The level should switch to next costume. A next costume block should work. Well, because we need two next costume blocks because there are two clones. Now it works as expected. Now we can delete this green ground because we don't need it. It's still not very attractive, right? Let's spice it up by creating a background. Drag the level costume into background. Name it Hills 1. Delete the ground and move the hills up. You can press Shift while dragging to drag it straight. Darken it a bit. Duplicate it and move it even more upwards. Darken this as well. Now make a sky. Name it Sky. Make a custom block to create clones of hills and sky. Make a local variable, my speed. Make initial x local variable for background also. Set my speed to negative of speed because the sprites are moving left. Make another local variable, ID. Switch costume to entered costume. Then create a clone. Place sky clone with the ID, desired speed and initial x0. Make second clone but with initial x for 180. Drag the clone script from level to background. Change X by my speed. Remove next costume blocks. Find a cloud sprite. Drag its costumes into background. Then delete it. Copy-paste the clouds into each sky costume. Then delete the clouds. Switch to a random sky costume if ID is sky. Oops, while dragging the clone script from level, the initial X variable also got copied into background. So delete it and replace with the correct one. Write the correct sky costume names because we added more sky costumes. Finally, it is working. Now we just have to add the hills. Leave the ID empty because we don't need it. Like the sky, make another clone starting at X for 180. Nice. Let's move it a little bit downwards. Duplicate the block for hills too. Change the inputs. Remember to keep these in this order for correct layering on screen. Adjust it as per your needs. The background is complete. In the next episode we will add obstacles, so stay tuned for the next episode.